Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you inside my new colouring book. So this one is Colouring Botanical Blooms, Bouquets and Mandalas, and it's lots and lots and lots of different designs, all hand drawn from me, and most of them actually were inspired by my Drawing Botanical Blooms book. And I've turned a lot of the illustrations into mandalas and kind of larger print colouring pages. There's also grayscale on one side as well, so it's really pretty. I'm so pleased with how it turned out and I can't wait to share you. So let's have a look inside. I'll do a quick walkthrough with you all. Okay, thanks, bye. So hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you inside the book. We are going to go page by page. You can see all the lovely designs, all hand drawn by me. So the first few pages are really just kind of like an introduction to the book, dedication to all of you that love flowers and colouring, and to all of my students who are always recommending that I create more books. I've got an introduction from me and then a how to use the colouring book and how the book is set out, and info on joining the colouring club. Then I've got a couple of pages just explaining how the book's laid out. So all of the actual colouring images or designs are on the right hand side of the book. And then on the left hand side, I've just added some grayscale designs just for your viewing pleasure really, but you can also have a go at colouring those in. But you'll see those as we go through the book. So the book is divided into two sections. Section 1 is all about botanical blooms. So these are all single flowers that I've drawn, all inspired mostly by my Drawing Botanical Blooms book. And you'll see that some of these are quite large scale, some of them are very simple, some of them are very shaded, some of them that there's multiple images or some single images. So here you can see the grayscale on the left hand side. In some cases it's the same image as the right, other cases there's some variation as well. So something when I have colouring books, I just don't like that left hand page like white space, and I just think it's so much nicer when you've got other designs on the left hand side to kind of inspire you or just to kind of make it a bit more pleasurable as you're colouring in on the right hand side. So that's kind of what I wanted to do really for this book. But we are going to have a go in the colouring club and we are going to colour in some of those grayscale designs on the left hand side. So we'll see how we get on. So section 2 is all about bouquets and mandalas. So in this section you're going to find lots of pretty designs where I have drawn bunches of flowers, kind of like what I call bouquets, and most of the designs are kind of like in a mandala form. So you can see here there's lots of different types of designs on the pages. Some of them are very obvious mandalas, some of them I've filled the whole page. I love it when I can colour right to the edge of the pages. And of course, you know, some of these designs where you do have mandalas like these, you can also colour outside the mandalas. So I like to kind of colour blue in the background perhaps. You can even add some of your own images if you wanted to. So these are lots of fun. I just had so much fun creating this book and I'm just so happy that you are interested in purchasing, and I can't wait to get colouring with you all in the colouring club. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Please add a comment below with any questions and I look forward to seeing you in the colouring club. Thanks a lot.